Now to our GMA cover story. As the Delta variant surges, as kids are heading back to school, a Florida state judge has now ruled against a ban from Governor Ron DeSantis on school mask mandates. Joining us to break down your kids' rights in the classroom is attorney Areva Martin. Thank you so much for being here with us. Governors around the country have taken steps to ban mask mandates in and out of the classroom. Can schools and districts defy these orders and still require masks for students?
Well, we know that decision by that district court judge in Florida is huge, and it's going to embolden those school districts around the country that want kids to wear masks. And so I think you're going to see more districts defy their governors and defy their state legislators if they believe that following the CDC guidelines and making masks a requirement for students will keep those students safe. So I think we watch this space because more and more school districts are probably going to require that students wear masks as a result of this local court decision.
There's a real divide amongst parents and schools about if students should be masked in the classroom. If a masked student gets COVID after going to school with kids who are unmasked, would the parents then have a case against the school or the state?
It really depends on a particular state law, but the general issue is around negligence and reasonableness. Did the school district make the school environment safe for all kids? Did that parent act in an unreasonable manner? Did that parent know that the child had symptoms of COVID but still allowed that child to attend school without a mask? Those are some of the questions that will be asked. But the general answer is yes. You may see lots of litigation from parents against other parents for kids who are not masked during the school day.
So, Areva, another big topic getting a lot of debate is surrounding vaccinations and vaccination mandates specifically. Now with the Pfizer shot receiving full FDA approval, could schools require not just teachers and staff, but students 12 and older to get the vaccine?
Absolutely. I think we're going to see more and more vaccination mandates by schools. Think about it. Kids are already required to get a lot of vaccinations before they can even enter kindergarten, as required by state law. And there is a 1905 Supreme Court case that says that states can mandate vaccines in the interest of public health. So even though there's lots of debates and states have taken different approaches to this, I think ultimately the decision to mandate vaccines will start to take place throughout school districts across this country.
And Areva, to this point about vaccinations, as Whit just mentioned, the debate involving teachers being vaccinated, many schools and districts don't require teachers to get the shot. Do parents have the right to know the vaccination status of their kids' teachers, or is that something that's protected by HIPAA?
Well, that's a really good question. And there's no legal right that a parent has to know the medical status or the medical history of a particular teacher, but it doesn't prevent parents from asking teachers if they've been vaccinated. And parents can also follow what's happening with respect to their states, because we know many states are requiring teachers to be vaccinated. So I encourage parents to know what's going on in their state, check with their local school boards to find out what the state's and the school board's policy is around vaccinations. But it doesn't hurt to ask the question.
Attorney Areva Martin, with so much going on surrounding this debate, thank you so much for helping us clarify some of that this morning.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.